Hello dear everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alale and this is a new video of my handcraft series. Today I'm going to show you how did I make a crochet bracelet like this. It's super easy to weave them and very addictive, plus it's a good way to earn a bit of money. Even you can give them to your friends as a gift. I have dozens of this bracelet in my pocket whenever I'm going for travel somewhere to give new friends on road. What we need is bead. I have wooden one, but any kind of bead is okay. Also a bigger bead or a bottom, and 2 sizes of hook, scissor and yarn. First, insert your crochet hook through the knots, then rotate the hook about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Picking up the yarn with the hook, pull the yarn through the slip knot. That's 1 chain stitch, and we need 10 chain stitch after the first one. So I'm adding 10 more chain stitch after that. Bend your chain and stitch the last knot to first one to make a loop. This loop can work like a hook to make my bracelet around wrist. And again we start to make chain stitch just like before. I'm adding 5 stitch, then I can add my wooden bead. Take your smaller size hook that is matched with your bead hole and pass it through your bead. Take the yarn and pull it until the yarn can come out of the bead hole. And then continue to stage 5 chain after that. And then again adding a wooden bead, and you see after that is just repetitions. I mean 5 chain stage and 1 bead, just like a loop. So keep continue to make this loop until you reach the size around your wrist. And I will show this part in quick version to save our time. Now it's time for adding the bigger bead or bottom. So add the bead to the chain and stitch it with your hook to end of chain. At the end, we need to add some extra stitch to make strong link between bead and the main chain. And then cut and free the yarn. Pull the yarn hard to make a tie knot. The last step is called finishing process. I mean hiding the yarn end somewhere between chain and bottom. The whole idea is making your bracelet strong that when you are using it every day, the last knot keep tight and it doesn't open at all. Also, the other reason is hiding the yarn ends, because without them the bracelet looks really better. So I will stitch the yarn ends few times to the chain and hide it inside the bead hole at the end. Cut the extra part of yarn end, then go to a stage and hide the other yarn end from the other side. Now my bracelet is ready to use, and I will use it all today because I love it. If you also enjoyed the process, please thumbs up and let me know if this tutorial is useful for you. For more videos, you can subscribe me. Love you all and see you soon.